push this out. It's times like that. This is new. It's not. It's supposed to be one thing. I would love to have Rosetta Stone. Yeah, but if you had to do anything with someone, you need to get to practice with someone. But anyway.
Well, you know, they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet, and you do talk to other people.
But I'm sitting here, my it's so beautiful. I'm sitting at a bench, and I'm reading my book, and I look at the car, and it's stops right in front of me. It's like, wow. And I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguettes. Some of them have sweetness in those, or some of them.
We have the regular multi-grain baking.
Small coffee.
Give me in one bag a multi-grain, the cranberry, and a plain one. And then another bag, 2 plain ones.
That's especially what they can study. Take
No, plain.
the white
These, that's one bag. And then the other bag,
and are you
that
going
okay, that's
Like that one.